Looking to boost your home security? A reliable, best camera for apartment door is a smart, modern solution. It lets you monitor visitors, deliveries, and unexpected activity right from your phone, keeping your space safer and giving you peace of mind. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ring Battery Doorbell. If you're looking for a practical and reliable camera for your apartment door, the Ring Battery Doorbell is one of the top options available today. This upgraded version of Ring's best-selling video doorbell now features an impressive 66% more vertical coverage, offering a complete head-to-toe video view so you can monitor both visitors and packages right from your phone. The built-in battery design is a huge advantage for renters and apartment dwellers as it eliminates the need for complicated wiring. You simply charge it via a convenient USB-C port and mount it using the provided hardware. The quick release system makes recharging effortless when needed. Installation is straightforward and designed for those with minimal DIY experience. Once set up, the Ring Battery Doorbell provides real-time alerts directly to your smartphone, notifying you instantly when motion is detected at your door. The device also features live view and two-way talk, allowing you to see and communicate with visitors whether you're home or away. For those who like to stay on top of things, optional smart alerts can differentiate between people and packages, adding another layer of convenience and security, though this does require a subscription. This model integrates seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices, letting you hear notifications through an Echo Dot or even view the camera feed on an Echo Shell. For added security, it supports continuous recording and customizable notifications through a Ring Protect subscription plan.
Number 2. AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless. The AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless stands out for its exceptional image quality and thoughtful design, making it an excellent camera for apartment door security. It features a 5-megapixel UHD lens, providing a sharp, clear picture that surpasses standard 2K models by about 40%. This ensures crisp visuals in various lighting conditions, including low light and intense backlighting. Its advanced optical glass lens contributes to detailed, true-to-life images, so you never miss important details. Where this doorbell truly excels is in its triple motion detection system. Combining advanced radar sensors, PIR sensors, and intelligent human detection, it significantly reduces false alerts. It can differentiate between a person approaching your door and a passing car or a pet. This smart detection makes it reliable for busy apartment hallways, where irrelevant movement could trigger lesser systems. Its built-in 8GB memory supports 60 days of loop recording without a subscription fee, a rare and valuable feature for those seeking budget-friendly home security. Battery life is another standout feature. The AOSU doorbell camera offers 180 days of coverage from a single charge, thanks to its low-power wireless connection technology. A wide 166-degree field of view means you can see visitors from head to toe, and no package delivery goes unnoticed.
Number 3. Eufy Security Video Doorbell. For those seeking an advanced camera for apartment door setups, the Eufy Security Video Doorbell is an excellent option. What sets this model apart is its dual camera system. It includes both a front-facing and a downward-facing camera, allowing it to capture comprehensive footage, from a visitor's face to packages left on the ground. This double coverage eliminates blind spots and increases overall home security. The Eufy doorbell offers 2K Full HD clarity, producing sharp and detailed visuals that ensure you recognize faces and important activity at your doorstep. The device also features an industry-first colored night vision system, delivering up to 16 feet of clear footage even in total darkness. This makes it highly effective for nighttime deliveries or unexpected visitors. Whether you opt for battery or wired installation, it's designed for flexibility and long-term performance. The battery is rechargeable and can be quickly swapped, while the wired option keeps it continuously powered while topping off the internal battery.
Compatible with popular smart home ecosystems like Alexa and Google Assistant, it integrates easily with your existing devices. You can hear doorbell alerts through smart speakers or view live footage on smart displays. The Eufy Video Doorbell also pairs with the Eufy Home Base and other chime options to extend coverage throughout your home. One of the biggest draws is its local storage, which requires no monthly subscription. All recordings stay secure and accessible without recurring fees.
Number 4. Botslab 5MP Video Doorbell Camera. The Botslab 5MP Video Doorbell Camera delivers premium features at a highly competitive price, making it a fantastic camera for apartment door security. The standout feature is its built-in 32GB storage, eliminating the need for subscription fees and allowing you to record and review videos directly through the Botslab app. A $0 cloud storage option adds even more value, letting you manage your security without hidden costs. Its impressive 5-megapixel HD resolution captures clear, detailed footage, while a 360-degree panoramic view ensures no areas left unseen. The fisheye lens, coupled with 4 selectable viewing modes, provides full coverage of your apartment entrance, from floor to ceiling and side to side. The device's dual-band Wi-Fi support ensures smooth, lag-free video streaming and strong, reliable connectivity. Battery life is another key highlight. The Botslab doorbell camera offers a long-lasting 210-day battery life, minimizing the need for frequent recharges. For those preferring a continuous power supply, it also supports wired installation. Smart AI detection and advanced radar and PIR sensors distinguish between people and irrelevant movement, reducing false notifications.
Number 5. Ring Peephole Cam. The Ring Peephole Cam is a clever, renter-friendly alternative for anyone searching for a dependable camera for apartment door setups. Designed to replace a traditional peephole, this device delivers 1080p HD video quality and enables you to see, hear, and speak to visitors from virtually anywhere via your smartphone, tablet, or PC. It's particularly suitable for apartments because it requires no wiring or drilling, installing easily in under 5 minutes with the included tools. Once installed, the Peephole Cam provides instant alerts when someone knocks, rings the doorbell, or triggers the motion sensors. The built-in motion detection system is adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the sensitivity to avoid unnecessary alerts. This is especially helpful in busy apartment buildings where hallway activity can cause frequent unwanted notifications. Like other Ring products, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices. You can receive announcements through your Echo speaker or view the live video feed on an Echo Show. Voice commands make it easy to communicate with visitors, adding a layer of convenience and hands-free control. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.